Hey there, HubSpot enthusiasts! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to change form settings in HubSpot CRM so you can capture leads efficiently and customize your forms like a pro. By the end of this video, you'll know all the tips and tricks to make your forms work exactly the way you want. Let's dive in. First, log into your HubSpot account and head over to your Marketing tab, then click on Forms. Here you'll see a list of all the forms you've created. To edit the settings of an existing form, just select the form you want to modify. Once inside, click on the Options or Settings tab. This is where the magic happens. Here you can control who sees your form, what happens after submission, and how your data is collected. One of the most important settings is the form submission options. You can choose to display a thank you message right after submission or redirect users to another page. If you want to guide leads to a specific page, like a product page or a resource, the redirect option is perfect. Next, check the follow-up email settings. HubSpot allows you to automatically send a confirmation or nurture email to your leads. This is crucial for keeping your audience engaged and starting the relationship on the right foot. Another key setting is form field customization. You can add, remove, or edit fields to capture exactly the data you need. Make sure to keep it simple. Too many fields can reduce form submissions. Don't forget about form notifications. You can set up alerts to notify your team whenever someone submits a form. This ensures no lead slips through the cracks and your team can respond quickly. Finally, always check the privacy and GDPR settings. HubSpot lets you add consent checkboxes and privacy notices to stay compliant with global data protection laws. After you've made all your changes, hit save and publish your form. And just like that, your HubSpot form is optimized, customized, and ready to capture leads efficiently. And there you have it, a complete guide to changing form settings in HubSpot CRM for 2025. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a HubSpot tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.